YouTube, what's good? Your boy Mace back with another video. In this video, I just want to do a quick market recap on what took place today and all the trades that I went into and trades that I could have gone into. If you watched the last video, you'll see that I actually lost my funded account, so I'll be starting a new challenge. I'll say Monday. So for next 2 days, which is Thursday and Friday, I'll just be market watching, back testing, doing the regular, you know what I mean? But Monday I'll be back. So let's get into this. So first one we'll go over is gold. So gold, I remember yesterday when I did the market recap, I told you gold was in a certain area. Gold just finished it in this 1 hour, where is it, this 1 hour supply. So gold went back to this 1 hour supply that I had right now. This right here was the 1 hour supply. Gold tapped into that, going to 15 minute. Gold tapped into it right now. That's why I said I was looking for price to go to. That's why I had these certain buys. Price finally tapped there, started to consolidate on the 5 minute. And I said I would like to see if price can actually break out of this. Give me a pullback out of supply for more sales, and I'll see, depending on the structure, where I'll carry the TP to. And 6 o'clock came, price started to come out of it. Price finally broke it around here. This was around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Price broke out of it, left a small supply right here because, let me draw it so you can see it. You got the impulse here, pull back, impulse here. This is nothing right now, this is just noise, but there's still support. Price actually pushed up, so it broke structure here, but then completely started to make a whole new down structure. Once price broke this structure, it left a supply right here, but also left the supply a little higher. So now this is where you start to understand and have to try to figure out which one would be the supply for the continuation. So this was the first supply. I want to see if price going to top this. If price does, I want to see price going to give me the entry. If so, I'll enter it. If price to go higher, then I'll wait for it to go higher. But this would have been the entry. I marked this up last night. Didn't take this trade because I was already in Nas and Us30. Not Us30, but Spx500 is already inside those two trades. So I didn't take this trade. But this trade played out perfectly for 2-to-1 RR. The reason why I had the stop loss above this was because, like I said, this was a supply as well. So you don't want to put in your stop loss here, because price could easily go up more just to retest the supply area. The reason why I took my targets here was because of the same 15 minute support. I'm not worried about the resistance, but the support I'm looking at. On the 15 minute you can't really see anything as much, but on the 5 minute you can see the structure for this setup. Now from there we had the in-house session, where it's actually my session time to trade. So 7 a.m. we had this area right here still being respected, but then price finally broke it. So once price broke that, you notice that price left the supply once more. Price tap into it, you're still below the 13 EMA. So all you're going to do now is put a sell stop right below the same green candle. So you would put a sell stop below this green candle, stop loss within this wick, and you would target a 1-to-3 RR. The reason why you carry it there is also because you have to understand you are this area that price could have come back to. So you notice I didn't put it all the way to the wicks, because these are wicks. So you always want to make sure most time put it around the body part of the candle, because you know that's where price actually closed. So that was a nice setup that could have been taken today. Other than that, I don't think there was any more setups on gold. Price drop, broke structure here, but that was it, because you had some support being made there. Price broke out of it, then pushed back up. Yep. So the gold had nothing else at the end of the day. That was it. Now the Nas setup, this is the dog that I lost. So I remember, you guys, I was looking to carry back here where the gap actually started on Nas on Sunday. Price gave me a nice demand area right there. Tap into it yesterday at around 6 p.m. I entered it after the 13 breakout. Price had me in some nice profit. So this was all the way to 3.8 risk to reward. I was up almost a 2-to-1. And once price got to the 2-1, because I already had my alert set, and I said if price gets to the 2-to-1, I'll just close it out. Price almost got there, started to consolidate, and then just went for the worst. But if I look, let me see if there was any setups on Nas today that you could have taken advantage of. You had this little range area here. This was the lowest point of it. So you almost had a break and retest, but it wasn't a break and retest. What else did you have? Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Because this would have been a supply right here. The price didn't never top it, so no. You have this. Well, this was the demand here. This was a demand after. There's a low probability demand though, because this gap already got filled. So there was a low probability demand. Price broke structure. Let me move this. Price ended up doing a change of character right now. And once price made this bullish run, you could have waited for price to tap back into that. You would have entered that once you break 13 EMA, which it still never broke it right now. It didn't broke it until this candle. So that wouldn't have been an entry for me. I would have passed on that. And then we get Spx500. Same thing took place yesterday. Nice setup. Wanted to take it to this area. Was so close to the area. I was about, how many ticks? About 7 pips, 76 pips away from that area. So altogether I was up a 1.7 risk to reward. Not bad, but it wasn't what I wanted, so I'm okay taking losses, because I know when they hit, I go big and go home. Price, let me see if price give you anything for today. 7 p.m. You gotta break a structure, you gotta change character there. Nothing. 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 So no, nothing. Because SPX and Nas are actually moving alike at the moment. Because you know the demand right there, where price actually broke structure there, change character, tap back into that, but still didn't get the entry until now. So that would be too much of a stop loss to even get into that trade. Us30 was just in a range all yesterday. Was in a range. That's why you see I have this trend line right there to show you the resistance area of that. But you also have this as a support area right now. Let me copy this. There's also a support area. So this was in a small range. Price broke out of it now, right there. Price broke out of it. Let me see. You have demand right there. There's a low probability though, but you have still had a little bit of room around here. You had some gap right around here that you could have looked for price to get back into. So price top there, but look what happened as soon as price top there. You got no entry. Price just shot up, and this way exactly where you would have taken your first target. Back to structure right now. This way you would take your first targets. Let's see anything within the opening session. No. So no, price just was messy today. Today was just a messy day today in the market. But yeah, could have taken that gold trade. Gold looked like gold was just the winning pair for this week so far. Nas and SPX did me dirty today. But it is what it is. It's part of trading. You know what I mean? You live to trade another day. But anyways, guys, that's all I have for you for today. With peace and love. God bless you all.